You're welcome back. We want to look into further examples. Here, question A, we have to make R the subject of V equals to 1 over 3 pi R square ish. Solution. A. V equals to 1/3 of pi R square ish. 1/3 of pi R square ish. Here we are making R the subject of the formula. And don't forget our watchword. We have what? Board mass. But we are going to start from the back. Board mass. Starting from the back, it means sum dot. Sum dot. Now, when you look at the question, we have V to be equals to 1/3 of pi R square ish. And we are making R the subject of the formula. So, where we are having our R, let's see what is attached to R. Now, is there any subtraction in terms of attached to R? No. Addition to R? No. Multiplication? Yes. We have multiplication. We have pi to be multiplied with R, ish to also be multiplied with R. So how do we remove pi and ish? We can say, to remove multiplication, you need to divide. We say multiply both sides by pi ish. Oh, sorry, you are dividing both sides by ish, pi and ish. Divide both sides by pi ish. So we have V ish, V divided by pi ish to be equals to 1 over 3 pi R square ish divided by pi ish. Now we can turn this division to multiplication. So we have V over pi ish to be equals to 1 over 3 pi R square ish times 1 over pi ish. When you want to turn division to multiplication, then you can take the inverse. Now here we have pi to cancel pi, ish to cancel ish. So we are left with V over pi ish equals to 1 over 3 R squared. 1 over 3 R squared. Now we can now look into, is there any division? We can look into the expression we are having, at the other side there, in terms of R. Is there any other attachment? Yes, we have 1 divided by 3 is attached to R squared. Now we need to remove this 1 divided by 3. It is a division. Then for me to remove division, I need to multiply. What am I multiplying by? Multiplying by the divisor. So I have V over pi ish times 3. That is the divisor there. To be equal to 3 times 1 over 3 R squared. So here 3 has cancelled 3. In a nutshell, it is only R squared that is remaining here. So I have R squared to be equals to V times 3 is 3V, all divided by pi ish. Now I have R squared to be equal to 3V divided by pi ish. And don't forget, I'm looking for R and not R squared. Now, how do I remove that power, which is square? That is when I'm going to introduce the square root, because the opposite of square is the square root. You can take the square root of both sides. Whatever you do to this side must be done to the other side. That is, take the square root of both sides. Take the square root of both sides. That is, the square root of R squared equal to the square root of everything here, that is the square root of 3v all divided by pi h. And when you're taking the square root of a square, it is going to eliminate the square. That is, this square root is gone for the square. I have r to be equal to the square root of 3v all over pi h. And thus, we have made r the subject of the formula there. We have made r the subject of the formula. Let us quickly move to question B, where we have 1 all over L to be equal to 1 over u plus 1 over v. Now here we are making v the subject of the formula. We want to make v the subject of the formula. In this case, don't forget we still have our watchword, summed up. Summed up. How do we eliminate what